Imagine a world where vehicles track themselves, optimize their own routes, and prevent breakdowns before they even happen. Well, that future is already here, thanks to AI, IoT, and automation. Welcome to our channel ERP Experts, where we explore the latest tech innovations. The evolution of vehicle tracking. Gone are the days of relying on paper logs or basic GPS systems. Today's vehicle tracking is smarter, faster, and more efficient, thanks to artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, IoT, and automation. But what does that mean for businesses and everyday drivers? Let's break it down. AI-powered tracking. Artificial intelligence takes vehicle tracking to the next level by analyzing massive amounts of data in real time. AI helps fleets predict traffic patterns, recommend optimal routes, and even detect risky driving behaviors before accidents happen. It's like having a digital co-pilot that never sleeps. IoT connectivity. IoT connects vehicles to a central system, allowing real-time communication between drivers, fleet managers, and even customers. Sensors track everything from fuel consumption to engine health, ensuring maximum efficiency and cost savings. Plus, stolen vehicles? A thing of the past, IoT enables instant tracking and recovery. Automation in fleet management. Automation is changing the game. From self-driving delivery trucks to automated maintenance alerts, businesses can reduce downtime, lower operational costs, and improve safety. Fleet management no longer requires constant manual monitoring. Smart systems handle it all. Why this matters? So, why should you care? IoT, and automation aren't just futuristic buzzwords. They're transforming logistics, cutting costs, and making transportation safer. Whether you're managing a fleet or just want smarter tracking for your car, the future is already here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Have questions or thoughts on the future of vehicle tracking? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.